Hey guys, this is Grant from Aircon Solutions, and just let you know that Advantage Air have done an update to their MyPlace app, and it gives us the ability to do a few more things on the monitors now, which might be really cool for you, especially those who live in colder climates and have been asking for the reminders or automatic activity to happen based upon heating needs. So we've got two options here. We can have it so the temperature in the suburb, and we can have it either above a certain temperature or below a certain temperature. So for example, if it gets below 14 degrees in our suburb, or we can say if a zone gets above or below a set point. So if we say if a zone gets below 13 degrees, it will bring on or do one of a couple of different things. So we can send us a notification, and we can tell it a telephone number to send it to. Pretty sure most of you know my number by now. Or we can give it an auto action. And that auto action, we can say we want to have my air or my heating system turn on, and we would like to have it to be on in the living rooms to 22, and then the kids' bedrooms, or the bedrooms down to say 17 degrees. We can set that. Of course we can name it, and we'll write that as in heating. We would like to say we will enable this function to work between 11:15 a.m. and let's go with 10 o'clock at night. And we're allowed to work on these days. So now, if the heating with my home or my suburb gets below 14 degrees in my suburb and below 13 degrees in any of my zones, then it will send me a message to say that this has happened, and it will then action to turn on the heating on Monday through the Thursday between 11:15 a.m. and 10 p.m. at night. Hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you like what we're doing, please subscribe and share these videos with others, so that we all get to get the best use of our MyAir or Advantage Air systems. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching Aircon Solutions.